I want to now talk about rain driving. There are a few basic points I need to remember whenever I'm driving in the rain. First of all, there's way less grip. Therefore, speeds in corners have to be reduced. The amount of room and distance behind other vehicles has to be increased. So instead of the normal 2 to 4 second following distance, I make it a 4 to 5 second distance, especially on freeways, just so that I know I have enough time to stop and react if something happens in front of me. I'm even more aware of tailgaters when it's raining. Many vehicles in the US have tires with very little tread depth. Those tires are basically worn out. If you happen to have somebody behind you with those kind of tires and they're tailgating, that vehicle, if they have to stop quickly, they are much more inclined to hydroplane. So again, be much more aware of tailgating. Don't tailgate yourself, but you have to be aware also of who's behind you. And again, when I come to red lights, I'm really aware looking in my rear view mirrors to make sure that the vehicles behind me are actually stopping and not skidding and sliding. Again, if you see that in your rear view mirrors, hopefully you've left enough room and you have an out. Make sure that your own tires have enough tread depth to be out in wet conditions. Otherwise, get them changed or don't go out. You have to be way more aware of everything that's going on around you so you don't get into those situations where you have to make the quick moves. And while we're talking about preventive maintenance and tires, we should talk about wipers. Make sure your wipers work well. If you can't see very well out the windshield when it's raining, you probably just need a new set of wipers. It's so important to be able to see clearly, especially in rain conditions. So you're about to start a drive, you know it's raining, give yourself a little more time and give the other drivers a little more room.